Looking to streamline egg packing on your small or medium-sized farm? Meet the Tray Stacker SX20, your compact, space-saving solution for efficient tray stacking. Designed with a footprint of just 0.6 square meters, the SX20 fits perfectly into tight workspaces. It automates tray stacking to reduce manual labor, ease operator strain, and improve workflow. Instead of lifting and stacking trays by hand, your team can now focus on managing egg flow from the hen houses. Compatible with all common plastic trays, the SX20 delivers reliable performance, day in, day out. It's the ideal add-on for all Farmpacker 40 installations, offering efficiency, comfort, and consistency. Let the SX20 take care of the stacking, so you can focus on what matters most. Visit our website or contact your local SANOVO representative to learn more about our tray stacking options.